DoThedashers, man. What's going on? How y'all doing, man? We got it cleaned up. Got the decals on. So this is everything wrong with the TL Type S. Yeah, if I want to show off herself. Yeah. She gonna be included. So this mysteriously happened in these apartments. Someone hit it. I still gotta get this bumper fixed. My shit hanging, man. You know, but it is what it is. I'm just glad my headlight's not broken, but my whole bumper needs to get replaced or fixed or whatever. The bracket's broke, so that's why it's hanging like that, man. Yeah, it's not good, man. Rims need some TLC for sure. Gotta get those. Gotta get the waffles redone. Starting to get some little sun fade, so need that done. This is everything wrong with the TL, man. You know, everything wrong with the TL. Got some scratches done. You know, a lot of people don't like to show problems are, or you know, what's actually the cons of their car, you know, but I'm gonna get into it, man. So we actually gotta do the mats. I'm gonna do that in another video, but I just wanted to put something out for you guys why I haven't been uploading as much. Just trying to get this car back to the best way it was, you know what I'm saying? You know, when you pay for something, you wanna make sure you take care of it. You know what I'm saying? But take y'all under the hood, man. So this is how we looking underneath the hood. You know, got our AEM V2 3-inch cold air intake. Put a new battery. So I had to get a new alternator, and this is a Duralast alternator. I do not recommend. It's not compatible with this car because it's like 130 amp. This car, the OEM one, is like a 230 or higher, and this is better because it's gonna charge the battery up way faster. So every time I get on it or whatever, and I go to Mexico or whatever, it'll pop up in the light. Yeah, but got a lot of oil coming from here. I gotta get head gaskets, the valve cover gaskets. Gotta get replaced because I'm getting a lot of oil buildup right there and right here. Common thing on these, the PCV valve, which is right underneath this plastic cover, is a valve for the PVC, and it leaks out oil from there too. Yeah, so you know, it ain't the best, but man, you know, this is how the condition she is. So I'm actually getting a check engine light from this catalytic converter. So I'm gonna end up replacing both of these. It's hard finding aftermarket for a good amount of, a good deal, because the RV6 ones are discontinued, the PCD RV6, and then you got the high flow cats, and they like way too much money. So I gotta get this transmission mount. I gotta get this transmission mount replaced. As you can see, it's broke, completely broke. And then I got a check engine light for that. The catalytic converter, gotta replace those. And that's pretty much it, man. For the most part, this car's been reliable. You know, no coolant leaks, no major oil leaks, just from the PCV valve. Common thing on these. And that's about it, man. You know, that's mechanically wise how this car stands right now. You know? I hate looking at check engine lights, so I'm gonna show y'all I'll show you how to delete those things. So if you got yourself one of these, or you could go to O'Reilly's or any auto parts store and get you a code scanner or OBD scan tool, or either, I think this one's like $30 or something, like $40. But you're gonna plug it in right underneath the dash until it turns it on. Now you got power. So yeah, it goes in right there, and we're gonna try to erase these. So what I actually did earlier, I put some cleaner. I'm trying to do a video. So this is how you delete it. You just boom, hit that button, delete it. So it's gonna link back up to it, and as you can see, it took away the check engine light. So I gotta get the TPS sensor too for the back tire, but I'll let it load back up. This is a Zurich ZR4. If y'all want to look into get one of these, you know, very cost efficient. So now we are good. So it'll run a little bit better, you know, a little bit better. So now we got no check engine light. You know, no check engine light. And that's about it, you know. I appreciate y'all for watching. Again, I know I've been slacking on the videos. We're gonna come out with some more videos, some more DIY stuff. I wanna start getting into that. And you know, possibly, you know, in the future. Oh, that's a big ass mosquito in here.
Oh my gosh. God have mercy. Don't touch it.
Well, get it up, man. Big ass mosquito. Why do the mosquitoes come out when it's cold? Well, it ain't even cold, but they come out when it's nice. Like, what the fuck?
Ask yourself that question again. Why would they come out when it's cold?
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
I also gotta get ball joints. I gotta get new suspension parts. So that's coming for the channel. You know, I'm gonna try to keep y'all updated with me taking care of this car as much as I can, because we're actually gonna be looking at getting another car, another daily, so I can pick this one up and we could, you know, slowly get this thing back to close to pristine condition, you know, and then we can have something else to drive, you know, with lower miles. This thing over 100,000 miles, you know, got a lot of miles on it, so I want y'all to stay tuned, man. Thanks for tuning in to your boy. Peace out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Peace out.